Alright guys, I haven't made a video in a while, but today what I want to show you is the chicken tractor and how big the meat birds have gotten. What we have is a 6 by 12 frame that it's chicken wire all around it that I move twice a day with these lawnmower wheels. You can see these past days. So I move it twice a day, one in the morning, one at night. They are able to get fresh grass, fresh bugs. Right now they're probably going through a 50-pound bag of food every 2 days. You've got to keep them, keep the food tray filled, the water filled. We also got the 2 egg layers in there. But these Freedom Rangers have grown so much. Yesterday they were 6 weeks old. The 2 egg layers are 9 weeks old. I'm going to pull them out and show you guys the comparison. Alright, so here's a comparison of the egg layer, the Brahma egg layer, and the Freedom Ranger. These Freedom Rangers are bred to put on weight quickly, but at the same time their legs are strong enough to support that weight, so they can walk around, scratch, look for bugs, just like a normal egg layer would, that grows at a much slower rate. Alright, here's a close-up look of how big these Freedom Rangers have gotten. We've only had 4 casualties. Overall, that's good. Super excited. We got 3 more weeks, and these guys are going to be ready to butcher. The plucker is being made as we speak. We'll be posting some videos about that. Super excited. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe.